The red car's way behind.
It's okay, we're all having fun.
Tiptoe to Daddy's lab.
Thank you very much for this ice cream truck. I am so happy.
Okay, bye-bye. Monkey, little feet go. Door goes whoosh. Lights all glow. Daddy's working. What's Dad making in his lab today?
Is it a robot or is it
Someone stole my purple gem. That is why my rule is clear. No one in the lab
Let's
back
tell
here.
about robot to Mama Mushi.
Hi, I am CoCow, the milkman. Milk makes kids stronger.
Now we have to call Chacha Garage to repair and combine the truck.